Alright guys, pila get ready no na bha ka dorbar shnong Khimusniang daw pen man kay ka Fete ha kani ka lewa ka sotre hay ta he khle lam cha Khimusniang ha kani ka Fete daw em le ka hausi ha pan ar kisni ka first day to ar lak tangka
ka first house to chilak ka second house to san pajar online to pajar each ka ticket man ko du san spa tangka ni chika
second day one ka full house to anyaw lak
ka first to lelak ka second to arlak ka third to chilak tangka ka wo online to ar pajar each ka ticket man ko du pras spa tangka ni tapat ta khanaya nga ukoleng tin bima ulai le house bima nei bha ka ni ka parthai was at yiwang kwa yiwang it ye ka paisa ta la chewi yo nang hang lai chewi do nang okay
to hidi tele guys daw em le ka lucky draw how was so tali ki winner ye phu yo chilak tangka each na lorne te do emle siki consolation prize ki bahado chpau tali ki te to chpau jar each ka ticket man ga du aro san takaran hi kowi
na lorne te na lorch na lor ban peri te pi abeni focus behavior kalama focus behavior kiti na mai kalama
dem nei te ro emle siki express lucky draw ka first prize to du scooty ka second prize to du bamboo chair set te pai ba last but not least daw emle kinong tem kinong ruai ki wo pair way ki wo tough ki wo churkai
kamna tangam em sa ni
kau dio pi ni screen sa ne kini to ki open chart pen comment phi ha kini ki arsi te pai ba ham dong ki em talang chrui ha kini si kau de ti phi ka Fete Khimusniang man go ko win ki Fete ki he wai kam jole ka favorite Fete yong nga mo
ta ham dong em talang chrui yo yi chamani yo yi chari yo yi chondu yo ba mi di ka bam ka ja ka do wa ro je de pian dong chida ne ba ti pi la le house e pi le klem so klem yu ro wa in chong che the open money ya kan ka Fete ko lai be dar ti ichin one young people kemen gei the unity yo yi chewo pi ha kan ka si le wo ka so tare kan mon ye kan ka tare ma bye guys love you
a shnong wa miat tam the bun sen de yo award wa khoi a shnong wa bun khru tam wa bun khlut a shnong wa ju pon man a fet wa he tam de ju yo de ju snyo pi kleng a te to a shnong yo nga te ama ong tentu a te shnong to wa bun du amit khru te yo pi tip ha te shnong wa sa nga wa si do te par khat a pi te shnong ma miat te ama tip pi shnong yo nga de bom tip le yo tip pi nga to ne ta na Khimusniang jwai dai pun man biang yo Fete ani le wa so yang nombar te poi te sngi ya ra pisa ya bom ya di chru i di su te arto du te dai em anong tem wa tof anong tem Pertuit di Pareng baik DJ Rico, DJ Kriko, wa aban Wefleng, tang yo pi kana arto Pareng te. Prachnong ate, tang ar kom tem rukom berki kejat penchat bru am Pareng. Te hate to singin kong, ali tarik haso tarik an dai em ya DJ kwa pi. Wa tof ate to DJ Meban, ate wa mas scratch ate tharai mas tof sa tiar. Mas scratch peliang nang tu. Ate keleng le performer job competition le job harai o hachnong yong i yo u penchat pi. Dai em le grassroot itu grassroot yo ai ga tharai tu jrong snyo wa tof ha ki ruwe. Dai em le akapau ate van pertu kapau apa snya pi ki ruwe. Atu to akapau te poi te sni yo pi yo dikmat yong pi amnu penchat bro amnu tof arwe te amaman vi Fete tang hai rap tof express lucky draw dai em first prize ama yo pi tu scooty second prize dai em de sofa wa miat wa di thai te dai em le house ani sa house wa tof ani Fete yele bro to bah house ni benta yong pi chnong yong nga pen he do house yo pi kemen we bun sang wa yo prize yo ama yo pi ni screen te dang bun te sngi pi paj wan ni screen ne bah arkwa apan slam wa nga arsnyo chai o te dua ya nga yo arsnyo chai te sngi yo tamlang wa nga te sngi yo comment per the ri ta khum le chibon ya chema te sngi ong gede adai po yo
okay Hello everyone, I'm DJ Grigo. Catch me live on the 3rd of November at Khimusniang Fete. Thank you.
And I guys, we are Wavelength. We are a band from Shillong. We cover a lot of rock and pop songs, and we are super excited to be performing for you guys at Joy.
Chamani padba haga later in November after our person haga Fete yang berdoa shnong Khimusniang Joy klik lamcha be there.
Backyards and front yards and at the 8-7. Some hit the scene with a bang and that's said it, but some didn't really work hard to get it.
Greetings people, I'm Nick from the Grassroots Boys. Just want to let you guys know that we'll be a part of the Khimusniang Fete that's happening this year on the 3rd and 4th of November. We'll be playing live on the 4th, so if you would like to enjoy some good live music and if you enjoy reggae music, make sure you come down on the 4th and catch us live. And also bring your family and friends because there'll be other exciting activities also happening on the 3rd and the 4th. So I hope to see you guys. Chamani there.
Hi, we're Kapal from Delhi. We're just first here to perform in Rockland, and we're going to make our way for the Khimusniang Fiesta on 4th of November, and we're really excited about it. So get ready because we're coming to your festival and it's gonna be loud as